गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। लास्ट में हमने चैप्टर नंबर 3 कंप्लीट किया। अब इस वीक में हम चैप्टर नंबर 3 का रिवीजन करने वाले हैं। तो चैप्टर नंबर 3 है, हमने रिवीजन में 6 पार्ट में उसका रिवीजन करेंगे। तो और मंडे टू सैटरडे हम उसका रिवीजन करेंगे और उसके रिलेटेड जो टॉपिक है, उसके रिलेटेड जो एग्जाम्पल है, उसका आपको संडे टेस्ट देना है। तो फिर से हम पूरा चैप्टर रिवाइज करेंगे। तो टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज टू कन्वर्ट रेडियन इनटू डिग्री मेजर एंड रेडियन मेजर टू रियल नंबर. So, first of all, how to convert radian into degree measure? So, we know that to convert the radian into degree measure, so multiply by 180 divided by pi. So, here we can written we multiply by 180 divided by pi. So उसके रिलेटेड एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं। फर्स्ट वन, 5 pi upon 3 radian. Now our question is convert of this radian form into degree form. So how can be converted? So is equal to 5 pi upon 3 multiply. Now here multiply 180 divided by pi. So multiply 180 upon pi and here radian in place of written here degree form. Now pi cancel out here. Same way 180 divided by 3. So cancel out this term and here we can written 60. So 60 into 5, that means 300 degree. So our answer is 300 degree. Second question, 7 pi upon 6 radian. So again same method apply here. First of all is equal to 7 pi upon 6 multiply here radian form convert into the degree form. So multiply 180 divided by pi. So multiply 180 upon pi and here radian in place of written here degree. So is equal to pi cancel out. Now 6 30 is 180. Now multiply this number 7 into 30. So we get answer. So 7 into 30, that means 210 degree. Here compulsory written degree, otherwise only written 210. So here wrong answer. So convert into degree form. So compulsory here written this symbol. Now our next topic, to convert degree measure into radian measure. So how can be converted degree measure into radian measure? So reverse order, in radian measure convert into degree measure. So here we can multiply by pi upon 180, right? So related to this topic, now discuss some example. First example, suppose 25 degree is given and our question is find out convert of this degree form into radian form. So how can be converted? So is equal to here 25 multiply, here we can written one bracket, 25 multiply pi upon 180 and here written radian form. So now simplify this term. Here cancel out by 5. So and here cancel out by 5. So remaining term 5 pi by 36 radian. So once again 25 degree is present. Now converting to the radian form. So how can be converted? So 25 multiply pi upon 180 and here written radian form. Now cancel out this term. So remaining term is our answer. Now second question. 240 degree. So again here in our question degree form is present. So convert into the radian form. So is equal to 240 multiply pi upon 180 and here written radian form. Now again cancel out 0. Now 6 4 is 24 and 6 3 is 18. So cancel out this term. So remaining term 4 pi upon 3 radian. Next question. Third question. 520 degree. So again convert into the radian form. So is equal to same process apply here. 520 multiply pi upon 180 radian. So here 0 cancel out this term and simplify this term. So 26 pi upon 9 radian. Clear? Now our topic is relation between radian and real numbers. So first of all draw one circle. Now here O is the center of this circle. OA is our radius of this circle. Same way here draw OB. So OB is also radius of this circle. Now angle of OA to angle of OB. This angle say theta. And the distance of A to B, that means we can say that arc of length AB, and this is denoted by small a. That means here we get three terms. OA and OB is radius form. OA and OB in angle is say theta, and AB is say arc A. So related of this relation, we can written theta is equal to L upon R. So now related to this topic, discuss some example. So first example, find the angle in the radius through the pendulum swing if the length L is equal to given 75 centimeter, and describe the arc of length. Here radius is given R is equal to 75 centimeter and arc of length is L is equal to given 10 centimeter. Our question is find out the angle, that means theta find out. So once again here radius is given R is equal to 75 centimeter, length L is equal to 10 centimeter, and our question is find out the theta. So again we know that this relation theta is equal to L by R. So here written theta is equal to L by R. Now here we can written radian form. So is equal to L in place of written 10 upon R in place of written 75 degree. In our question theta find out in radian form, that's why here we cannot convert into the degree form. So we can written at it. Now cancel out this term. So remaining term is our answer. So cancel by pi in numerator and denominator term. So our answer is 2 upon 15 radian. Second question, radius r is equal to given 75 centimeter, length L is equal to given 15 centimeter, and our question is find out the value of theta, means find out the angle of theta. But again here find out in radian form, so we cannot convert into the degree form. So again same result apply here. Theta here written radian form, so is equal to L upon R is equal to L in place of written 15 degree upon R in place of written 75 and here written radian form. Now simplify this term, so we get answer 1 upon 5 radian form. So in a circle, next question, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. So first of all, in a circle, first written here O is the center of this circle. Now here we can denote it by A and here written B. That means AB is our diameter, and in our question given diameter is 40 centimeter. That means AB is equal to first written diameter is equal to, therefore here we can written AB is equal to 40 centimeter. Now AB is equal to 40 centimeter. That means OA and OB is radius of this circle. So OA is equal to OB is equal to, we can written here 20 centimeter. Now also here given the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. So here length of chord we can written 20 centimeter. Here we can written C. Here written 20 centimeter. Here also written 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Now our question is find out angle AOC. Right? So here written AC is our chord. So chord AC is equal to written here 20 centimeter. So once again here AB is our diameter. Now converting to radius, so OA is equal to 20 centimeter. Same way OB is also 20 meter. AC is our chord and chord is given 20 centimeter. So again written AC is equal to 20. Our angle is AOC. We can say that theta. So now, first of all, here written in triangle AOC, angle AOC is equal to written 60 degree. Why angle AOC is equal to written 60 degree? Because here OA is equal to 20 degree, AC is 20 centimeter and OC is also 20 centimeter. That means all these three sides is length is same. So that's why we can say that this triangle is a equilateral triangle. So we can written in triangle AOC, angle AOC is equal to 60 degree. Now this degree form convert into the in form of radian form. So multiply 60 multiply pi upon 180 radian. Now simplify this term. So is equal to, we get pi by 3 radian form. So this angle convert into the radian form. So cancel out these terms of pi by 3 radian form. Now also find out theta is equal to L, means our formula theta is equal to L by R. Now theta in place of written pi by 3 is equal to L, that means find out, and radius is here given 20 centimeter. Now simplify this term, so we get the value of L. So therefore 20 pi by 3 is equal to L. So our answer is L is equal to 20 pi by 3 centimeter. Right? Here we can written unit centimeter. So in next question, if in two circles, so in this question first of all two circles is given, arc of the same length, that means length of both these circles are given same. Now angle of one circle is 60 degree and another circle is 75 degree at the center, and our question is find out the ratio of their radii. So now here two circles is present, so first we can consider in first circle radius say R1, and in second circle we can consider the radius R2. So here we can consider let R1 and R2 be radii of two circles. Now in first circle angle say theta 1 is equal to 60 degree, and in second circle angles theta 2 is equal to 75 degree. Length same in both these circles. Now we know that relation theta 1 is equal to L upon R1. Now here theta 1 is degree form is present, so convert into the radian form. So therefore here written 60 multiply pi upon 180, and here degree in place of written radian is equal to L upon R1. Now simplify this term and we can cancel our this term. So here we get relation R1 is equal to 3L upon pi. This equation is equation number 1. Now in another circle theta 2 is equal to 75 degree. So written here theta 2 is equal to L upon R2. Now again degree form is present, so this degree form convert into the radian form. So therefore written here 75 multiply pi upon 180 radian is equal to L upon R2. Now again simplify this term. So we get R2 is equal to 12L upon 5 pi. This results in equation number. Now our question is find out the ratio of this term. So using by equation 1 and equation 2 find the ratio of this term. So now after here written from 1 and 2 R1 upon R2 is equal to R1 in place of written 3L upon pi upon R2 in place of written 12L upon 5 pi. Now simplify this term. So here we get 5 by 4. So our answer is R1 ratio R2 is equal to, so therefore final answer written this way, R1 ratio R2 is equal to 5 ratio